Welcome to Lodox. So through this video I will tell you what are the services offered by this Lodox and what is the property matters related service offered by the Lodox. If you have some problem regarding your property matters or you have a need of property matters related services, then you may opt this property matter related service by clicking on this legal help section. You will find property matters related service on this particular tab in legal help section. We will review the property documents. We will provide you property reports as per your requirements, as per your need. If you have some property related problem, then we will provide solution for you and for your concern. So what is the property matters related service offered by the Lodox, and what are the benefits, and what is the procedure to get property matters related service by the Lodox, and what are the prices related with this services with the services offered regarding the property matters, and how you can contact and why you should opt Lodox. I will tell you through this video. So let's start. So it is general notion that get legal opinion before you proceed the court cases. So what are the property matters related services? So there are four kind of services in this particular property matters related service. First is document review service. It is started on this particular price slab. Second is legal opinion on property matters. It is started on this price. Third is due diligence service regarding your property. It is started from this price range. And the fourth is title verification service under the property matters related services. It is started on this particular price range or this particular price. So these are the services under property matters related services. These four services you may opt in property related services. So why the written legal opinion and why the property related matter services, or the documents review services, legal opinion related services, due diligence related services, or title verification related services you should opt? Because it is always good to have opinion from more than one person. Even the expert are subject to error. So a wrong advice may lead to the losses. So it is advisable to you to get it written or to get it by the subject expert. A detailed opinion which deals with all aspects of the issue should be required. Not a personal opinion, but it is based on the law and regulation established by the authority. The provision of law and judgments of the Supreme Court are mentioned in these property matters related services opted by you as per your requirement. You will get reference of Supreme Court judgments or relevant High Court judgments. To opt this service, you may contact or you may dial this number, or you may mail us on this particular email ID, happiness@lodox.in. Please remember, Lodox only assists you in contacting the local advocates or lawyers. There will be an independent contact between you and the advocates. Lodox may not subscribe to the advice tendered to you by the independent advocate. So if you want to opt this property matters related service, then you may fill these relevant details in this particular form, like your personal identification information or your concern regarding your property related problem in brief in this description box. You may add some supportive documents if you have. Then you may click get an expert opinion. If you need expert assistant on WhatsApp, then you may click on this WhatsApp icon. Our legal expert or lawyers will contact you to provide the solution regarding your property matters related service. All right.